The 2026 Isuzu Truck lineup continues the brand's long-standing reputation for durability, functionality, and low operating costs. Built with a strong chassis and a carefully engineered suspension, the truck is designed for commercial users who need reliability in demanding environments. Whether used for construction, delivery, agriculture, or logistics, the 2026 models offer an improved driving feel and better load management compared to previous years. The build quality remains solid, featuring reinforced frame materials that help the truck withstand heavy daily wear. One of the most notable changes for 2026 is the refinement in engine performance. The latest diesel engines have been optimized for fuel economy while still delivering the torque needed for hauling. Isuzu's turbo diesel technology has always prioritized efficiency, and this year's model enhances that with better combustion control and smoother power delivery. Drivers will notice quicker acceleration even when carrying a heavy load, along with improved stability during long journeys. Inside the cabin, Isuzu has focused on practicality rather than luxury. The dashboard layout is straightforward and easy to operate, with large buttons and clear gauges that are helpful for long work days. Seats have been upgraded with thicker cushioning to reduce fatigue, especially for drivers who spend hours behind the wheel. Storage spaces are placed cleverly around the cabin, ensuring that necessary tools, documents, and devices are always within reach without clutter. Safety has also been enhanced throughout the 2026 lineup. Anti-lock braking, traction control, and stability assist come as standard features, ensuring that the truck remains balanced even on slippery or uneven roads. Optional features such as blind spot monitoring and reverse cameras help reduce accidents, particularly in tight loading zones or busy urban delivery routes. These modern driver assist technologies bring an added level of confidence to fleet managers and independent drivers alike. The suspension system on the 2026 Isuzu Truck is tuned to handle rough roads and heavy payloads with minimal discomfort. The truck remains surprisingly stable even when transporting maximum weight. This not only improves driver comfort but also helps protect transported goods from damage. Fleet operators will find that the truck performs consistently across different terrains, making it a versatile option for varied work environments. Isuzu also continues to excel in ease of maintenance. The engine layout and mechanical components are organized in a way that makes repairs and servicing simpler. Many parts are standardized and widely available, lowering downtime and maintenance costs. For businesses, this reliability and serviceability are key factors that contribute to lower overall operational expenses. Fuel efficiency remains one of the brand's strongest advantages. Compared to competitors, the 2026 model consumes noticeably less fuel under similar working conditions. This becomes especially beneficial for companies running multiple units or covering long distances daily. The optimized engine, combined with aerodynamic improvements, ensures that each trip uses fuel more effectively without compromising performance. The truck's exterior design is functional and robust. While not aiming for luxury aesthetics, the shape and structure clearly communicate strength and purpose. Improved airflow helps reduce drag, and the headlights offer better visibility even during late night or early morning work shifts. The build feels dependable, ready for both urban operations and rugged rural work environments. Drivers will find the overall handling reliable and predictable. Steering is responsive and well-balanced, allowing the truck to maneuver efficiently even in congested delivery areas. Braking performance is strong and offers confidence in both wet and dry conditions. These handling refinements show that Isuzu has not only focused on power and durability but also on driving comfort and control. Overall, the 2026 Isuzu Truck proves to be a powerful workhorse that prioritizes reliability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. It is not built to impress with luxury features but to do the job day after day without unnecessary trouble. For businesses that want a dependable fleet vehicle with low running costs and long service life, the 2026 Isuzu lineup remains one of the most dependable choices available in its category.